Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to delete your TikTok account. Start by going to your profile in the bottom right corner and now click on the hamburger menu in the top right corner. And now this pop-up comes up and now you click settings and privacy. From here you want to click on the account right here as marked. And now at the bottom you can see there's a deactivate or delete account button. Click there. And now you have the option to deactivate your account or you can delete the account permanently. Since you are watching this video, I assume you want to delete the account, so you click at the bottom option. And now you simply choose a reason or you can click skip up in the top right corner. And now you click, by continuing you reviewed your data request and wish to continue deleting your account, and click continue. And now you simply just go ahead with the rest of the process, and that's how you delete your TikTok account. Thanks for watching.